Today, I'm diving into the latest housing market turmoil as the highest mortgage rates in 23 years are dragging down home sales to their lowest level since the subprime crisis in 2008. According to the National Association of Realtors, sales of existing homes will plummet this year to about 4.1 units, which is the smallest number of sales since the market crash of 2008. And remember, this was the year that sparked the global financial crisis with the collapse of Wall Street titan Lehman Brothers and a huge crash in real estate prices. Now, one of the main reasons for the slowdown is because of limited inventory. In fact, the real estate research firm Keeping Current Matters reports new listings are down 25.7% this year, with a total housing inventory off 13.6%. Part of this is due to existing homeowners unwilling to trade their 3% mortgage for a 7.5%. Another contributing factor is people are living in their homes longer, now over 9 years. And because of these factors, home prices have steadily increased this year nationally by about 5%. And as a matter of fact, chief economist at the National Association of Realtors, Lawrence Yun, believes we can easily double housing inventory just to get back to a normal market. Now, another factor is rising interest rates. And at the time of this recording, the current average rate on a 30-year mortgage is 7.57%, according to Freddie Mac. The last time the mortgage rate was this high was the recession of 2000. Now, Federal Reserve policy is a 2% inflation target. And until July, it looked as though they were making progress. But the federal government spending $1 trillion a month more than they bring in will now put pressure on rates. Now, I'm sure you've all seen lower oil prices the last few months, and part of this was due to President Biden releasing oil from the Strategic Oil Reserve, creating more supply. Now, the Strategic Oil Reserve is now at its lowest level since 1982. So we're going to have to purchase oil on the open market in the coming months, which will also create inflationary pressure. Now, all of these factors have had a devastating impact on home affordability. Let's take a look at the Home Affordability Composite Index. Now, this value represents the percentage of median income required to purchase a median price home. Anything above 100 indicates that a family with a median income has more than enough income to qualify for a mortgage based on that median priced home, while a value below 100 indicates that a family with a median income doesn't have enough money to qualify for a mortgage on a median priced home. Now, this figure is off its high from the second quarter of 2022, and it sat at 178. And now sits at a low of 92.7. So many Americans simply can't afford to purchase a home today. So things to keep an eye on in the coming months. Will inflation continue to creep back up? How will the war in the Middle East affect oil prices? And can the government get the deficit under control? So if you have any questions on this or any real estate related topic, feel free to reach out to me. And thanks for watching.